I created a 100% AI YouTube channel. Almost 100,000 views in 30 days. Are you someone who's always wanted to start a YouTube channel, but never had the time, skills, or confidence to show your face on camera? You know, maybe editing isn't your thing, or you just hate the sound of your own voice, or maybe you've just been putting it off because it seems like a lot of work. What if I told you that I created an entire YouTube channel using nothing but AI, and in just 30 days it almost hit 100,000 views? Yeah, you heard that right. No fancy camera setup, no studio lights, no spending hours trying to sound good in a microphone. Just me, my laptop, and the power of AI. And the craziest part, it actually worked. So in this video I'm breaking down the whole experiment. We're talking script. We're talking scripts, voiceovers, visuals, music, the whole 9 yards. This is how I built a 100% AI YouTube channel from scratch, and how close I got to 100,000 views in just 1 month. Let's go. Alright, first things first, we need a channel. But not just any channel, we need something AI can actually handle. See, the beauty of AI is that it can take care of a lot of the heavy lifting, but it can't exactly go out and film a vlog for you, at least not yet. So, I had to get strategic. I needed a niche where I wouldn't need original footage or to be on camera myself. Think about it. Channels like top 10 lists, explainer videos, even those creepy narration channels, those can all be done with AI. For this experiment, I went with a mix of science facts and tech trivia, kind of like a futuristic encyclopedia, but, you know, way more engaging. And to really sell it, I needed an AI persona. That's where AnandInfinityAI was born. The backstory? A super intelligent AI sharing its vast knowledge with the world. It sounds kind of out there, but hey, it's the internet. People buy into weirder stuff. Plus, having that AI character gave me a consistent voice and style for the channel. It was like creating a digital host who could deliver the information in a compelling way, even if it was just lines of code doing the talking behind the scenes. Now, for the meat and potatoes of any YouTube channel, the scripts. This is where the magic happens, where ideas transform into engaging content that keeps viewers coming back for more. And let me tell you, this is where AI really starts to flex its muscles. It's not just a tool, it's like having a co-writer who never sleeps and is always ready to brainstorm. I used ChatGPT, and let me tell you, this thing is a beast. It's like having a creative partner who can generate ideas at lightning speed. I'm talking feeding it a basic idea like, tell me about the quietest room in the world, and it spits out a whole script complete with facts, figures, and even a dramatic arc. It's like magic, but better because it's real. Seriously, this room is so quiet it can drive you crazy in minutes. Imagine the kind of suspense you can build around that. But here's the thing. ChatGPT is smart, but it's not perfect. Sometimes it gets things wrong. And that's where your human touch comes in. Always, and I mean always, double-check the facts. Your credibility is on the line, and a small mistake can snowball into a big problem. The last thing you want is to go viral for all the wrong reasons. Trust me, the internet never forgets. Once I had the facts straight, it was time to spice things up. Creativity is key, and this is where you can really let your imagination run wild. Remember, we're on YouTube, people. Drama sells. The more engaging and dramatic your content, the more likely it is to capture attention. So I'm talking cliffhangers, plot twists, you know, all the good stuff that keeps those eyes glued to the screen. It's all about creating that irresistible urge to keep watching. Think about it like this. Would you rather watch a dry lecture about sound waves? Or a suspenseful story about a room so silent it can kill you? Exactly, the choice is obvious. I even started experimenting with different script structures. Changing things up keeps the content fresh and exciting. Shorter intros, faster pacing, more of those, wait what, moments. These tweaks can make a huge difference in viewer retention. It's all about keeping the audience engaged, and AI gave me the tools to iterate and experiment faster than I ever could have imagined. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your creativity. Chapter 3, the AI voice that sounds surprisingly human. Okay, so we've got the script, now we need a voice. And no, I'm not talking about hiring a voice actor. Remember, this is a 100% AI production. Enter Microsoft Edge's built-in text-to-speech feature. I know, when you think high-quality voiceover, your web browser isn't exactly the first thing that comes to mind, but trust me on this one. They've got this voice aria, and it's got this enthusiastic preset that is surprisingly lifelike. Seriously, it's way better than it has any right to be. I'm talking natural-sounding inflections, clear pronunciation, even a little bit of that YouTuber energy. Plus, it's free and crazy fast. I'm talking pasting in the entire script and having a finished voiceover in minutes. That's huge because it meant I could churn out videos way faster than if I was recording and editing my own voice. And the best part? No awkward pauses, no stumbling over words, just smooth, consistent audio every single time. It's not perfect, of course. Sometimes the AI would emphasize the wrong words or sound a little robotic in places. But overall, for a free tool, it was more than good enough to create a believable AI persona for the channel. Chapter 4. Visuals that don't put you to sleep, the AI image hack. Alright, we've got the script, we've got the voice, now we need something to look at. Visuals are crucial because they keep the audience engaged and make the content more digestible. Because let's be real, nobody wants to watch a video that's just a static image for 10 minutes. It's a surefire way to lose viewers fast. Initially, I tried using AI image generators like Stable Diffusion. These tools are fascinating and can produce some stunning visuals. The idea was to create these hyper-realistic visuals that match the script. It seemed like a perfect solution at first. And while the results were cool, they weren't exactly YouTube ready. The images often lacked the polish needed for professional content. The problem was the images were often too abstract or just plain weird. They didn't always fit the narrative or the tone of the video. Plus, generating high-resolution images took forever. The time investment was just too high for the return. So I had to pivot. I needed a more efficient and effective way to get the visuals I wanted. Instead, I went old-school Google Images and stock footage websites. These resources are vast and can be incredibly useful, but even then I had to be careful. It's easy to fall into the trap of using too many generic images. Too many generic images and the video would be boring. The content needs to be visually stimulating to keep viewers interested. Too many flashy transitions and it would be distracting. My solution? BeamNG Drive. Yeah, you heard that right, the car crash simulator. It might sound odd, but it's incredibly effective. Hear me out, BeamNG has these amazing slow-motion crashes with tons of detail. The visuals are captivating and unique. So I download these crash clips, cut out the actual impact, and use the slow-motion debris and explosions as background visuals. It added a dynamic element to the videos. It was weird. It was unexpected, but it worked. The unconventional approach paid off. It gave the videos this constant sense of movement and energy, even if the topic was something as mundane as like the history of the paperclip. The end result was engaging and visually appealing. Chapter 5. AI-generated music that doesn't suck. Okay, last but not least, we need some music because nothing screams amateur hour like a video with no background music. But here's the thing. Finding royalty-free music that doesn't sound like it was made by a robot is harder than it looks. That's where Boomy comes in. Boomy is an AI music generator that lets you create custom tracks in seconds. Seriously, it's crazy easy to use. You just choose a genre, pick some instruments, and boom, you've got yourself a soundtrack. And the best part? The music is actually good. I'm talking catchy melodies, driving beats, the kind of stuff that makes you want to keep watching. Plus, because it's AI generated, it's all royalty-free. So I could use it in my videos without worrying about copyright strikes. I even started experimenting with different moods and genres for each video. Like, for a video about space exploration, I'd use this epic orchestral track. And for a video about the science of sleep, I'd use this calming ambient music. It's all about creating the right vibe and keeping the viewers engaged. And with Boomy, I had an endless supply of fresh, original music at my fingertips. Outro: the future of YouTube AI is your creative sidekick. Now here's where things got interesting. As the channel started to grow, I started noticing patterns. These patterns weren't just random, they were consistent and revealing. It was like the data was speaking to me, showing me the way forward. Shorter intros, snappier facts, and more absurd topics worked like magic. The audience craved quick, engaging content that got straight to the point. It was a game changer. Anything with banned, illegal, or you won't believe in the title? Instant clickbait. These titles were irresistible, drawing viewers in like moths to a flame. I also noticed watch time was higher on videos with fast visuals, cut every 3 to 5 seconds. This kept the audience engaged, their eyes glued to the screen. So I started speeding up my editing. The faster the cuts, the more dynamic the video felt. It was all about maintaining that high energy. Even the thumbnails were AI generated. These AI tools could create eye-catching designs that were optimized for clicks. I used Canva plus Magic Media for that, and combined it with some classic YouTube tricks, red arrows, bold fonts, and the occasional terrified emoji face. These elements were proven to attract attention. Now let's talk about the biggest lesson I learned. AI won't replace YouTubers, but it can help you create content faster than ever. It's like having a supercharged assistant. Think about it. Script writing? Done in minutes. Voiceover? No mic needed. Editing? Drag and drop. These tasks that used to take hours can now be completed in a fraction of the time. Visuals, just search plus layer. The AI can find the perfect images and videos to complement your content. It's scary how fast you can pump out videos now. What used to take days can now be done in hours. But, and this is a big but, you still need creativity. AI can assist, but it can't replace the human touch. Your unique perspective is irreplaceable. You still need to fact check. Accuracy is crucial, and AI can sometimes get things wrong. You still need to think like a viewer. Understanding your audience's preferences and behaviors is key to creating content that resonates. Because AI won't tell you if your video is boring. Only the audience will. Another challenge? Monetization. Making money from AI-generated content isn't straightforward. AI content is harder to monetize directly. Advertisers and platforms are cautious about automated content. YouTube's algorithm can sniff out reused content or robotic voices. It's designed to promote originality. So if you're trying to get into the partner program, you've got to add your own twist, like original commentary or better yet, your own voice. Authenticity is key. For me, this experiment was all about testing limits. I wanted to see how far I could push the boundaries of content creation. And honestly, it made me believe even more in the power of AI. The possibilities are endless. In the next 30 days, I plan to start using 11 labs for even better voiceovers, enhancing the quality and naturalness of the audio. Add motion graphics with Runway ML, making the videos more visually appealing and engaging. Test uploading shorts to boost subs, leveraging the popularity of short-form content to grow the channel. Try a niche that's more searchable, like AI tools explained or hidden tech tricks. These niches have a high demand and can attract a dedicated audience. So, can AI help you build a YouTube channel from scratch? Absolutely. It's a powerful tool that can accelerate your growth. Will it make you go viral overnight? Probably not. Virality is unpredictable and often requires a bit of luck. But is it a cheat code to speed up the content game? 100% yes. It can significantly reduce the time and effort required to produce high-quality videos. And if you're someone who's ever said, I want to start YouTube but I don't know how, this is your sign. The tools are available, and the barriers to entry are lower than ever. Because now the answer isn't learn to edit or buy a camera, it's about leveraging AI to streamline the process. The answer is, learn to use AI. I built a channel, AnandInfinityAI. It's a testament to what's possible with these tools. It almost hit 100,000 views. That's a significant milestone for any new channel. And I didn't film a single second of it myself. The entire process was automated, showcasing the power of AI. Imagine what you could do. The creative possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination. Watch the next video to see which AI tools are actually worth your time. Dive deeper into the world of AI and discover how it can transform your content creation journey.